kagaling ko lang sa workout. Then, I tried to relax here at Team Cafe. For the second time, we had to try one of their drink. Drink naman ngayon kasi before, I tried the rice meals. Yung isa naka Hong Kong fried rice, tapos yung iba pasta in order namin. So, since small business to, why not second time mag-try tayo ng isa of their specialties. Isa na ng specialty nila is sa mga drinks nila. So, kaya nga Dim Cafe, Dim, in Hokkien is drink, and Cafe coffee. Dati nag-try ako sa kanila, which is their Thai milk tea. So, ayun, okay naman siya. Like, I can see the difference of a normal milk tea to the Thai milk tea na mas may tea ang pagka-Thai milk tea niya. This time, I'm gonna try their Amas Mocha. Nalasan ko pala yung tableya nila. Pagka-dark chocolate. So, di siya like sweetened chocolate plus the espresso and combination of milk. Aside from the Dirty Milo and yung Wake Me Up nila, isa yan sa mga specialty nila. Ngayon, ito kasi yung mga drinks na talagang gusto nila i-promote or i-vlog. But now, ang itutry ko naman dito sa legacy drink ng bestseller nila na Amas Mocha. So, this one is more of a bestseller. Sa mga sakto lang yung kanilang coffee level, then this is perfect for you.